Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to identify fonts from an image. So I'm going to show you how to do it, how to identify with Android first, and I'm going to show you free website you can go to identify any font. And I'm also going to show you how to download the font after identification. Now the name of the app is What's the Font on Play Store, Google on Play Store. I've already installed the app, so you have to install this app on your phone. It's very important and it is recommended for all graphics designers to have this app. So once I've already installed the app, so I'm going to open it and show you how this app works. Now you have to click this icon over here. Click this icon over here for identify from your file, from your gallery. Click this item here to pick a picture or to snap the picture from your camera. Why this is from your phone storage. So I'm going to go with this image, and it's checking for text once you have selected the image. Okay, so once you have selected the image, click on one of the boxes or click on the text you want to identify. Okay, so once it is done loading, click on the one that is similar because there are so many similar fonts here. This method actually works like magic. You don't really need to ask people how did you get this font. You can easily get the font on your own. So the name of this font, I'm going to show you how to download it now. The name of this font is Versus Medium. Now to download it, you have to head over to your browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this. You can use any browser of your choice, but I recommend Chrome. The name of the font is Versus Medium. Once you have searched for Versus Medium, click on the first link or click on the first website. Now you can easily download the fonts for free. That's how it is to easily download fonts and identify fonts from any image of your choice, even from your camera. Now I'm going to show you the website instead of downloading the app. The name of the website is Font, or you can just search it on Google to get the website if you're not really sure of the address. And this is the link. This is the website. Once it is downloading, it looks exactly how it is on the app. So it's the same method. Click here to upload an image. And over here, I'm going to show you how you can do this with your camera. If you want to identify any text, okay, I've just snapped a random book, which I'm going to identify the text on this book. One thing you should take note of is whenever you are snapping the picture, it has to be horizontal. So you can click here to make it horizontal. Keep clicking it until it is horizontal. It's actually the same method with the app, but I just want to show you how you can do this with either your mobile phone or your computer. Okay, once it is downloading, click on the box like we did earlier. Click on the font you want like we did earlier on the app. As you can see here, all the fonts and the name of the fonts are all available. They are all available here. Yes, they are all available here. So click on the name of the font, like Impact XTD Roman. Copy it and paste it on your browser. Then you are going to get a free download. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.